Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kango Kiwi IELTS and PTE. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Ritesh Tomar and in this video we'll discuss the cue card topic, describe an art exhibition that you visited. That has been done for you by Tim Rutter, native IELTS trainer from UK. One of the most repeated cue card topic that might come again in your upcoming IELTS speaking test. In this video, we'll discuss sample answers, explanation of vocabulary used, along with the follow-up questions for round 3 of the Speaking IELTS test. Cue card topic. Describe an art exhibition that you visited. So in this cue card, you need to describe an art exhibition that you visited, and while answering or while telling about the exhibition, you need to answer some of the questions that are listed. When you saw this exhibition, where was the exhibition held, what was on display, explain your impression of the exhibition. Over the years, I have attended many exhibitions of different things. But when it comes to art exhibition, one by the Indian artist Anish Kapoor stands out as special. I had admired Anish Kapoor for many years. So in 2016, I was delighted to find out that there was to be a retrospective of his work in Delhi where I lived. The major public art gallery in Delhi is the Museum of Contemporary Art in Jaipur House near India Gate. The gallery itself is worth seeing, a lovely Lutyens building set in formal gardens. Although not originally designed as a gallery, it lends itself well to exhibitions. Adjacent to the old building, a modern purpose-built gallery has been constructed. The Kapoor's exhibition filled both the venues. This was the first showing of Anish Kapoor's work to take place in his home country, as he has lived in England for most of his creative life. Also, with it being a retrospective, it covered pieces selected from all periods. He is best known for large-scale sculptures made of mirrored surfaces. These were on display outside in the gallery grounds. Inside were a range of drawings and a small mock-up for his larger work. Additionally, one section I particularly liked was exclusive from small sculptures made from brightly colored powder in a variety of abstract shapes. Although I had seen photographs of Anish Kapoor's work before, nothing could compare with seeing the real thing. It was all beautifully exhibited in a way that suited each artwork. For me, it was one of, if not the most amazing and inspiring art exhibition I have ever been to. Now let us have a look on the vocabulary used when it comes to when talking about. Stands out, is particularly memorable. Retrospective, literally meaning to look back. In this context, example of art from the complete creative life of the artist. Lends itself well, is very suitable for the purpose. Adjacent to, next to, joined to. Purpose built, built for a specific purpose. To take place, to happen. Mock-ups, models, plans. Abstract shapes, shapes that don't represent a real object. Some of the example of follow-up questions related to the cue card. First, how could art exhibitions attract more visitors? Second, are art exhibitions popular in your country? Third, do you think people should have to pay to visit art exhibitions? Fourth, how will art exhibition change in future?